Hey everybody. Hey NailTubers. So yeah, this is a random giveaway. I thought I'd surprise you guys. So listen, this random giveaway is based on this video right here, my DIY nail decals. As I was preparing for that video, and then I was doing the price comparisons, and then when I saw the comments from so many of you who really want to try this, I decided to give away the water decal paper. Because for those of you who watched, you saw how expensive that paper was. Now, I'll be keeping the ones I ordered online, but I still have the 2 packets from Michael's, and I'll be giving away one of them. The only reason why I didn't decide to give away the second one is because the other one was open just before my online order came in. But if you want me to do a second giveaway for that packet, I'll surely do that for you. So please leave a comment and let me know. None of the paper was used, and it's only the packaging that was opened. For anyone that's new here, let me explain my random giveaways. Random giveaways will be on-the-spot announcements, like random gifting. You must be subscribed to my channel, and there's no need to enter. A winner will be chosen from those who left comments on the feature video of the random giveaway, because I truly appreciate you. If you are selected, you can DM or email me at pickyoucolor on IG or pickyoucolor@gmail.com with the heading Random Giveaway. If a winner doesn't come forward within 10 days, an announcement will be made and the gift will be held for a random giveaway that features another video. I thank each and every one of you, and there will be more like this to continue expressing my appreciation for your support to my channel. Before I do this drawing though, let me make mention, if you haven't seen the video, DIY Nail Decals, I suggest for you to check that out. There's a lot of detailed information in that video that's very helpful. So I'll have a link in my description box as well as at the end of this video. Now, one more thing, that video is actually a spin-off from one prior to that, where I did the Harley Davidson nails, because that's what the decals were made for. So if you haven't seen that either, you really need to check that video out too. Here you're seeing the finished product from the DIY Nail Decals video. Good luck to each and every one of you. I'm so excited about this and excited for you. I know whoever wins this decal paper is going to make some awesome decals, which will turn into some beautiful nail sets. The possibilities are endless. So here we go, guys. And the winner is My Nails by Jonah. Jonah, congratulations. You just won a pack of Spin It waterslide decal paper, and I know that you're going to make some beautiful sets with it. Guys, be sure to head over to her channel. I know that she's looking for support and watch time and subscribers. She's also just created a new intro to her channel. So head on over there and let her know that I sent you in love.